Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a wonderful day. If this is your first time watching my video, welcome and join the family. We're more than happy to have you. And if you're coming back to watch my videos, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys and I hope you enjoyed this video too. So today, I wanted to bring you this hair, which I feel like I have been seeing everywhere. It is the popular headband wig. I wanted to buy one, but to be honest, I don't know if I'm really a fan of the headbands or the style in general. Like, I know it's cute, and it suits some people, it probably suits me, but I'm just not a big fan of it.
Don't get me wrong, guys, it's a really beautiful style, but it's just not an everyday style to me. Like, I wouldn't want to wear headbands every single day. And I tend to like to keep my wigs for a while, so I'm not changing it up that often.
And I'm like, I just don't know if I care for the style so much to actually spend the money on it. However, this one I made it for under $10. And in this video, I plan to show you just how I did that. Also, I have this really cute headband and I'm gonna show you a haul of all the headbands I got and how you can also style them with this hair. So you can expect a 2-in-1 video of the various ways you can style this hair, as well as all the headbands that I got to wear with this hair. So guys, if you want to know how I achieved this hair and how I got this look, keep on watching and I will come back to you when I am all done.
So guys, for this hair, I'm using 1 pack of the Canicolion braiding hair. You can use more or less depending on the fullness you want, but I wanted mine to be really light. I'm also using a color too, but of course you can use any color you want. But the reason I really like this hair is because the individual strand has some ripples to it, so it makes it look like the kinky straight hair, which I like. But of course you can use any kind of curl pattern you want. I also use this crochet cap that I talked about in my previous video. I'll put a link to that in the description box, but this costs $2.99, except that I had to do some work to get it from what it was originally to something that I could use. So I talked about that in the other video. It took a bit of construction, but at the end of the day it works and I really like using it, which is why I got it again. So basically, to do this we need the typical crochet needle. I also got a headband which is going to be in front of the hair. And I started off this process by cutting the hair into halves to get my desired length. However, you can, make it longer or shorter as you want. Using the typical crochet method, I put the hair in through the hook and then passed it out of the nets. So I put in the hair into the loop that I created. And for this straight hair, I tried to double the loop so that it can be more secure. So I just twisted that around and then passed the hair through a second time to create a second loop. And even after I'm done with this, I divide the hair in 2 and just make it a little tighter just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. A second look at that is to put the pin through the nets. For the front, I take smaller sections or smaller pieces just so that it's not too full. But I did the same exact process. I tried to knot it twice just to make sure that the hair is really secure. But this was it pretty much. I did the same crochet for the rest of the hair. And as you can see, it's not too heavy or even too full because it's just one hair. But because of the texture of the hair, it looks even fuller. The front is a little scanty, but that's okay because that's where the band is going to be. And I went off camera to try to put the band in front. So I didn't show that in this video. But if you're interested in how I did that, let me know and I can go into details with that. But pretty much I have my band and it covered the front of the hair. And that was pretty much how I was able to achieve this style.
All right, guys, I'm back. Again, this is the final look. Looks great to me. I'm not a big fan of headband wigs, to be honest. But I like it and it cost me little or nothing to do, so I'm not complaining. So let me show you what the back of the hair looks like very quickly. This is the back of the hair, nice and full. And of course you can expect the video of how you can style this hair. There's so many cute ways that I have been able to style it in the past. but that's too much to add in this video, so look out for that video as well. All right guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you try this style, let me know, and if you have any questions, I am more than happy to take them. All right, bye guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.